To Blooming Kids Minecraft stories. One peaceful morning in Minecraft Village, 3 heroes received a mysterious quest to find a lost portal. Heroes, we need your help. Our ancient portal has vanished, and without it we can't trade with the Nether.
A missing portal? Sounds like an adventure.
I bet we can rebuild it, but we'll need to find the lost obsidian blocks.
And once we have the pieces, I'll use my redstone magic to power it up.
The first piece of obsidian was hidden deep in a dark cave. But they weren't alone. Danger lurked.
Guys, we have company. Skeletons incoming.
Take that, skeletons! Teamwork for the win! Keep fighting!
Look, the first obsidian block. Let's grab it and go.
The next piece was locked inside an ancient desert temple, guarded by a puzzle.
Looks like a lever puzzle. If we match the symbols, it should open.
Yes, that's 2 obsidian blocks down. 1 to go, we're almost there.
But before they could get the final piece, a mysterious creature appeared.
You seek the lost portal, prove your worth.
Steve, mind the obsidian. I'll distract it.
I'll use redstone traps. Take this, Phantom.
Got it, let's get out of here, quickly.
Back at the village, the team rebuilt the portal, and the moment of truth arrived.
Here goes nothing.
You have restored our portal!
That was epic. What's next?
Maybe the Lost Ender City.
And that's how our heroes saved the village. But their next adventure awaits.
Want to see what's inside the Lost Ender City? Hit like and subscribe to Blooming Kids Club for more Minecraft stories.
And tell us in the comments, what should we explore next?